Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make masala chicken fry and it will be in a very different way. So while I am making the chicken fry, I will show you the ingredients. So I have taken 750 grams chicken, washed out, take them nicely. So come on, let us start the recipe. If you like my channel, please comment, share, subscribe. Put in the oil. I've put little extra oil because today I'm going to make the chicken fry in a different way. First of all, I will put everything raw in this oil. Once the oil is turned hot, put in the cumin seeds, the jeera seeds. First put in the chicken. Then put in the cut up onions. Then put in the ginger garlic paste. Then put in the saffron. Put in the chili powder. Put the jeera powder. Put the black pepper powder. Put the meat masala. The salt. Put in the tomatoes. Mix the mixture well. And put the water. Not much water, little bit water put. When the water dries up, then I will fry all the masalas with the chicken. Cover it up and let it cook till the water dries up. The water is dried up. Now I will fry the chicken and the masalas in this oil. Now put some Kashmiri mirch and keep frying the meat. The masalas are fried and the chicken also is cooked up with it. Masala chicken fry is ready to be eaten. Hot, lovely, delicious and tasty, yummy also. Thank you for watching my video.